Mic check, mic check, mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check. How's everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandrine. On this channel, I do soap making videos, entrepreneurship journey, and also other lifestyle content such as recipes, DIY, and all those good things. In my last video, I actually forgot to show you guys. I got this soap stamp with my business logo on it for my soap bars, and it's really sturdy. It's heavy, so it's good metal. Hopefully it lasts a while. This is my logo, and you just screw it in. You guys can see this is my business logo, and it's beautiful. I love it. Yeah, this is my Iris Seamoss. It's from Canada. That's the origin, and you can put it in your vitamins, in your water if you drink water, smoothies. It's really helpful. I use it for my aloe vera soap, so that's that. Right here, I got the most important equipment. I'm gonna show you guys once I already open it. I have my and he has a price. Oh, okay, he has all the information on it. Soap bar. So I got a soap bar, guys. Again, if you don't already know, I reuse these for my packages. And look at that. Look at that. It's quite heavy, so I like it. It's sturdy. Whoa, it's really heavy. So this is a soap. Ooh, okay. I mean, I could probably take this off. I like it. It's kind of like a guitar. Whoa, this is really good. This is really good quality. It's handmade. I got it from Etsy. So this was crafted by someone. You can pass for a guitar or like a musical instrument. It's a 12-bar cutter. So see, 1 2 3 4. Well, actually more than 12. It's like 13. 1 2 3 7 12. 13 bars. Yeah, it's heavy duty. Ooh, it's heavy. Oh. It's a soap cutter to cut. It's a soap cutter to cut my soap bars, and it comes with an extra. This is the extra wiring, just in case I break one, because yes, they do break sometimes. Okay, and my final favorite is from Bulk Apothecary. I told you guys. This is just 2 oils that I got. My castor oils. Look at this. Look how it's yummy. This is so nice. Usually I'll buy 4, but I bought 2 for now. But most of the time I'll get like 4 of these containers in each box, so I'll buy like 8. And obviously the more you buy, the more the shipping costs, but you get a little bit of price reduction on the actual product. This is castor oil. This is my holy grail item when it comes to making soap. I cannot make soap bars without castor oil, even liquid soaps. Castor oil is the key ingredient to it. It gives it the hardness, the suds, depending on how much you put. It's just, and the smoothness of the soap. This is like the key. This and coconut oil. But I think did I show you guys my coconut oil? No, I have this big containers of coconut oil, so I don't think I'm gonna show you guys. It's really heavy. I left it in the basement because it's heavy. What else? I got some containers. I got three liters of 3-liter. I got 3-liter containers of olive oil from Restaurant Depot as well. And that's basically, and a shea butter. I get my shea butter from this guy who imports it from Ghana. So these were the few ingredients that I needed. And yeah, I'm all done with most of the supplies that I usually use and some of the products that I use for my soaps. So when I'm actually making the soap, each of the soaps that I make, I'll go into details on the ingredients. But for now, I'm just showing you like how I get the packages, what's usually in them, how it comes, the amount of it, how long it takes. Some packages, like I said, it takes a while. Like this bulk apothecary one, it took almost 2 weeks. This is a one-time purchase. Obviously, you're not gonna be purchasing this every other day. This took a week and a half as well, considering that it's handcrafted. I think that's a good amount of time. Like the seller for this soap maker, this soap cutter, let me tell you guys who it is from Etsy. That's him, Bud Hefner from Etsy. Customer service top notch. He confirms your shipping address and everything, and he ships it right away. He makes it and ships it to you right away. So I highly recommend this seller on Etsy. He also has other handcrafted items on there as well. But yeah, that is all for my video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope I'll see you again in my next one. If you enjoy these kind of contents, entrepreneurship journey, how I make my soaps, some DIY products. They're not all skin related, but 90% of them are skin related. Some of the DIYs that I do here on this channel. Please go ahead and subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, please turn on your post notifications so that when I do post, you'll get my video and you'll support and watch my video. Also, it will be so cool if you share this video, if you're kind enough to share it. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro. Also, guys, Amahoro means peace, like peace be with you. Shalom. That's what Amahoro means. It's a Kirundi word for peace, or peace be with you. And Kaze means welcome. So yeah, peace.